Concrete patio cleaning tricks. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Durable, versatile and affordable, concrete patios are the go-to choice for controlled outdoors environments. They provide you with the space to throw parties, host barbecues, put together a small playfield for your kids, or have a relaxing Sunday afternoon. As with all frequently used areas, however, your patio will require frequent cleaning sessions. In this video, we'll go over the various cleaning solutions, as well as the easiest techniques that you can use to clean your patio quickly, efficiently and without hassles. Your choice of cleaning solutions matters. This video will focus on the usage of DIY, eco-friendly methods. Why is that, you may ask? To put it bluntly, simply because domestic cleaning tasks rarely require the use of commercial cleaners. Why expose yourself and your family to toxic chemicals, when you can achieve the same results by using all-natural recipes that not only work just as well but are also much cheaper? Vinegar, baking soda and salt can deal with all but the most stubborn of patio stains at a fraction of the cost of commercial cleaning products and with no added damage to the environment. Get your tools together. Before you begin your cleaning session, you should take a quick glance at your inventory and decide whether a supply trip is in order. You'll be needing vinegar, baking soda, salt, water, a suitable bucket as well as a bowl to prepare your mixtures in, a long-handled broom, your vacuum cleaner, a couple of mops, a hose, a short scrubbing brush, a pressure washer and a few pairs of rubber gloves. Yeah, the list is rather long, and even though you might not necessarily need to go through all of the steps, it's better to be prepared than to break up your cleaning session with trips to the nearest store. While you're at it, you should also prepare a playlist with your favorite music. Depending on how fast you work, about an hour or so of music should do the trick. Mix up your solutions. Now comes the time to prepare your DIY domestic cleaning solutions. Slap on your gloves and get a mixing. DIY stain remover. Take your bowl and slowly begin adding vinegar and baking soda. With this recipe, you aren't going after an exact amount, but rather a consistency. You're looking for a paste-like mixture that you can apply to any stains, too stubborn to just get washed away by your pressure hose. DIY spray cleaner. This is your multi-purpose patio cleaner. It's a general stain remover, disinfectant and deodorizer, all in one. You can liberally spray your patio with it, as it's completely eco-friendly and toxin-free, so prepare as much as you think you'll use, depending on the size of the area. Since you'll be using the spray bottle, you can easily control where it goes and avoid having it seep into your flower beds or lawn. Cleaning your patio step by step. Step 1. Sweeping. Move your outdoor furniture out of the way and kick your cleaning session off with a good old sweeping. This will get rid of the larger debris, fallen leaves, blades of grass, and twigs, as well as a decent portion of the built-up dust. Step 2. Give your patio a bath. Connect your hose and thoroughly rinse the entire area. In case your patio has drain problems, you can also use a bucket of water alongside a mop, but bear in mind that this will significantly slow the process down. Step 3. Apply your cleaner. Make sure that your gloves are firmly strapped on and roughly divide your patio into square areas. Then, begin applying the appropriate type of cleaner to each zone, using the stain remover on the dirtiest spots and the multi-purpose for the rest. Give each square a couple of minutes to soak so the baking soda and vinegar can do their thing before you begin scrubbing with your short brush. This will serve to loosen the sticky dirt and work towards removing any stains. Scrub each zone for about 10 minutes. Take a step back and evaluate the results. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Step 4. Hose everything down again. Wash away the cleaner with a strong, steady stream for a couple of minutes. Depending on the size of your patio, this can take a while, but make sure that there are no traces of your cleaning solutions left. Even though we're using all natural solutions, you still don't want traces of them carried around your lawn or, even worse, your house. Step 5. Take care of the surrounding area. No matter how careful you were, chances are that some of your cleaners got onto the surrounding area. Take the time to inspect your bushes, plants and flower beds, washing them out if need be. Do all these steps and your patio will be as fresh and comfortable on any occasions you will have and to relax with your friends and family. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out about tips in cleaning your hard floors. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.